So I have got my fire pit put together. The cap blocks, I drew that all out in SketchUp and then cut them last night so I could get the angles correct, because otherwise I had no idea what to cut. And I really can't eyeball that to get them nice and tight. So I literally drew that out in SketchUp and then went out and cut them out. I just went ahead and used to hold it together for towards the outside of the ring, some more of that PLL 500 from Loctite. Towards the inside, I went ahead and used some of this rutless fireplace. It's a high temp silicone, really, is what it is, but I went ahead and used that towards the inside of the ring. I'm not sure if the PLL 500 would take the heat towards the inside or not, so I figured I'd go ahead and try some of that on the inside to help seal it all together. I like the idea of having something between the joints to kind of hold together, keep it from going anywhere. But I went ahead and put on all 3 layers and my tops. I cut half of a block out here, the top half of one, on that corner on 4 spots. The purpose of that being for air inlet. For my fireless, try to get my smokeless effect. So that's an air inlet. That's an air inlet. This, of course, will be an air inlet as well through the center, which is similar to what the Brio pits do. That's what I looked at the hardware store, and that's kind of what they do. They have inlets from the sides going up through, and they also have one in the center too. So that's what I'm going to give a try, and try it that way too, as I mentioned before. So using my dead blow hammer and trying to get it all nice and tight and trying to get it all looking good. So I think it's come out really, really well. I'm very, very pleased with this. And we'll have to see how it works out.